How to get $100 Little Caesars promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Little Caesars promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can just scroll down and check out any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check out. You'll see $50 off, likewise 50% off, $10 off, and so on. Little Caesars is a popular American pizza chain known for its affordable ready-made pizzas. One of the unique features of Little Caesars is its focus on offering hot and ready pizzas, which are pre-made and available for immediate pickup without the need for ordering in advance. This concept has made Little Caesars a convenient option for customers looking for a quick and affordable meal. In addition to pizza, Little Caesars also serve other menu items such as breadsticks, wings, and soda. The chain is known for its value pricing with many menu items offered at budget-friendly prices. Now go ahead and click on any of the offer that you're interested in. Just click on it. With that, you will get the code. Now you can copy this code, head towards the website of Little Caesars, and whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code. If you want to use this coupon code right away, click on this option of Continue to Little Caesars. Now you can provide your credentials and log into your account, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code. Likewise, you are also able to check out other website options. These websites will also provide you great deals and offers. So this way you can get $100 Little Caesars promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.